Boom, hey my friend, I'd like to welcome you into this video on offer stacking. So this is exactly how we're going to go about offer stacking, and really the way that I've learned how to go about this here. So we're going to start off with writing down problems in our niche. So just write down as many problems as you can think of. So there would be one that would be like how to start an online business from scratch. So that could be a problem, could be zoning out of conversations, could be not being in control, could be don't have money. This is stuff I've written down, and you can write down stuff for your own niche as well. So it's just different problems that are in that niche. So these are some examples that I wrote down. Money, time, that's usually big ones. Then it's going to be like don't like to send emails, maybe someone says they're not techy. And then once you write down these problems, this is how we're going to get our offer stack together. So we're going to then write down what is a solution we could do to counteract how to start an online business from scratch. So a solution to that for a product or service would be the challenge for me. Then there would be one that would be not being in control. So kind of a solution would be to say this is your own business. Then another problem could be I'm not a techie, and then a solution would be own website downloads. Okay, so you kind of want to go with an idea of this here, and these are like solutions that you can provide as like a service or as a counteraction excuse me, as a counteraction to these problems that people might have about your product or service or your niche. So there's one that would be money, and then it would be only pay for the things you need. That could be the solution to the money side. You know, you only pay for the things that you need. Then one would be time as well. Another time solution to that would be go at your own pace. There's I can't use the tools, so then it would be like this is in super secret traffic secrets. Okay, so that was what I kind of wrote down there. Then there would be one that would be it will take a lot of work, and then the solution to that would be the heavy lifting is done for you. So what I think like this here kind of. So another example would be will it work, and then another solution to that would be blueprints. You could give them blueprints to what exactly it is, like a PDF download. You can give them other things, other stuff that you found could be useful that you could provide to them that you've done in the offer hacking that you can make for yourself. So some of the stuff I've written down there was there are free traffic strategies. No, I don't have money for traffic. There are free traffic strategies. Then there would be like you'll be taught how to do. I'm not good at selling. You'll be taught how to sell. There will be heavy lifts done for you. Super secrets you can see in super secret traffic secrets. Your own website download. Done for your emails. I don't like emails. Done for your emails. You can just swipe the emails and put them in there. This would be more specific for my niche, but you could sort of come up with the little different bonuses and add-ons and little products and services to pull this stack together for your own online business and whatever niche that you're in. Then you're going to write down the cost for the biz. Now, you know, if you're already paying for certain services and some stuff would be pretty much cost free, you know, you're just going to make product which is just going to take a little bit of additional time, but in later videos I'll show you places where you can go that you don't even have to make the stuff yourself. You can actually get other people to make it for you. So there you go. I'll write down the cost for your biz. So most of it is going to cost you nothing if you've already got everything in place. So depending on what it is, if you're going to be shipping people physical products, it's maybe going to cost you some money there. Then you're going to want to have the cost for the business in there, and then you're going to want to write down people's perceived value. So perceived value say would be $97 a month slashed $49 a month, you know, and then they're going to get all this other stuff, which it's a perceived value of your own business. You know, I just read in there $200, you know, because you can pay someone $200 possibly. Then you can have a look here and see about not good at selling, perceived value at $50, potentially more. Same as don't like emails, done for emails, like $20. You know, you're going to want to write down the perceived value, because your idea is just a ballpark and that there, and then you're going to want to write this here and pull together an offer stack, like something similar to this here. So you're going to want to write down the problems and what kind of stuff that you can give people that are going to give them a solution and solve that problem, or counteraction they might have. You know, I'm not a techie. Your own website downloads, it's not going to cost me anything apart from getting them the website downloads. The perceived value, the price to the customer, your price is zero, the price to the customer will be zero. Perceived value is a lot of money, because you know, websites are hard to make sometimes, and if you don't know what you're doing, you know, you maybe potentially pay someone a lot of money just to do that alone. And this is the idea you want to get together. You don't have to make these products yet, you just need to kind of brainstorm it out and throw out the ideas and just go for it, and write down as many of these as you can. And in the next video we'll show you what we're going to do to sequence this here in a good sort of sequence, not there. So hope you enjoyed this wee video on offer stacking and how exactly you should go about stacking your offer. Have a good one.